Garcia.
Okay, malapit ang larga nito. Isang kalawak na lang nasa labas ng starting gate. Turn over na namin kayo sa ating race caller, none other than Kuya Vic Sandig. Go ahead, Kuya Vic.
Last call to place your bets. Only palakpakan. Being brought forward now, palakpakan. And it's inside now, set 24 racing, race number 5, and they're off. How did you know? James Quick moving up, more right around the outside, down Lasagna, Semper Fidelis, palakpakan, and worth the wait to surrounding in the tail of the fielder. Going along for the first turn. How did you know? Leads the pack by some 2 lengths, followed by some Perfidelisa. Lasagna on the outside, third, more right down in fourth. 6 lengths in behind them is worth the wait, and palakpakan. And passing the half mile, it's still How Did you know? By some 3 lengths, followed by Zamper Fidelisa. Moraita now running in third. Lasagna dropping in fourth position. Long way back, worth the wait, and palakpakan. Inside last 600, it is still How Did you know? Leads by some 4 lengths now over Semper Fidelis, while Moraita remains in third. Lasagna as they swing for home with How Did You Know? Saying goodbye to the rest of the field, followed by Semper Fidelis. Moraita remains in third. Lasagna. Last 75 meters is all How Did You Know? Semper Fidelis, Moraita, Lasagna, worth the wait, palakpakan.
Walang hirap ang pagkakapanalo ni How Did You Know, ridden by Patty Dilemma dito sa ating race number 5. 2-3-1-4 yung ating naging datingan. Lamado sa lahat. How Did You Know? Umabot yung ating double ng 462,000. Forecast naman is at 326,000. Instant replay tayo. Pagkakapanalo po ni How Did You Know? This instant replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Soap. Laging patok sa skin disease.